So sumasayaw po ako, I was singing, I was swimming, I was doing sports, nag-taekwondo pa po ako. So I really was put into everything and then she allowed me to pick what I love to do. So pag may mga performances, gatherings, Independence Day, ganun po, I will either do singing or dancing po talaga.
Kaya total performer ka rin, di ba? Parang yung best friend mo din.
Yes!
Na si Darren Espanto.
Yes.
Naku, eto na. Sigurado naman ako lahat ng mga tanong natin this afternoon, masasagot ni AC straight from her heart. Pero unahin na natin, merong agad-agad na nagpadala ng kanyang katanungan para sa'yo. Siya ay si Mika Savio of Push ng ABS-CBN. Eto ang tanong. AC, what's one thing that you regret habang ikaw ay nasa loob pa ng bahay ni Kuya bilang isa sa mga housemate? Kung merong sagot, bakit yun?
Regret? Honestly, sa loob ng bahay, wala po akong regrets. Everything that happened was meant to happen for a reason. And everything that I was able to solve was also solved inside the house. So I don't wish na I went back and I said something differently or I didn't talk to this person with my whole heart. Kasi in that house po talaga, iba yung perspective ng housemates versus the audience. In that house, we were able to really form a genuine, true bond. And if anything, if we had any issues, kinakonfront po talaga namin. And we would fix it right on the day of, or right on the spot. Para pag next day, new day, restart for us housemates. So, regrets po, wala po. I made good connections that I will bring out here to the outside.
Dun sa sinabi mo na iba yung tingin ng mga housemates sa nangyayari inside, iba rin yung tingin ng mga nanonood from the outside world. Kasi ang dami ko rin mga nakapanayam na mga naging housemates from the unang season pa hanggang dito sa recent na season natin, which is the PB Collab. Pero di ba kasi totoo, parang pag tinignan mo sa labas, ang laki-laki ng mga kaganapan, pero doon talaga, very isolated kayo. Diba? Ang tanging ginawa mo lang ay nagpakatotoo ka talaga.
Yes po. If we had anything in Yapo, like I said, we would confront it right away. We weren't trying to become, we were truly just trying to become as one. Because we're living in a house together. Iba po talaga when you start to live together. You're eating with these people, you're toothbrushing at night with these people, so you really want to solve whatever's happening in that house.
Totoo. May mga napala din ako mga interviews mo sa outside world, yung paglabas sa paglabas. I believe that's fast talk from Tito Boy Abunda, di ba? Parang, tama ba ako na parang may mga tinanong siya sa'yo doon, you said sorry sa mga nababasa mo rin from the outside world?
Yes po. I think I've spoken on all of the issues that have happened
Yes.
dito sa labas po. And I've cleared everything out. So hopefully people are understanding also, the way I've been understanding of their comments towards me also.
Ang hirap no pala kapag ka nasa loob ka na ng bahay. Kasi syempre di ba AC, isa ka sa mahal na mahal. Isa ka sa kilala kong napakaraming kaibigan sa industry. Like I remember, isa sa fondest memory ko with you, parang nung ni-launch ang BGYO before. Di ba parang tayo ang concert bodies.
Yes,
Remember?
yes.
Sa studio, pandemic na naka-face mask tayo.
Opo.
And marami ka rin iba pang mga kaibigan mo. Pero
Yes, po.
hindi ka ba natakot na it's a big risk sa career mo na when you enter the house of Kuya, the PBB house, parang pwede kang ma-judge talaga. Na yung mga, kung ano yung makikita sa'yo, pwede ka nilang mabigyan ng ibang perception ba or magkakaroon ng ibang connotation about sa'yo.
I definitely knew that coming into the house, and I made a vow to myself that I'm really just gonna be real. If I say anything that will offend anyone, I will also confront it. If there are issues from the outside world, I will confront it. Anything that would happen, I would really choose to just be real po. But again, at the end of the day, alam ko naman din po na I'm not everyone's cup of tea. The way I talk, the way I walk, the way I look, yung mga expressions ko po could definitely be taken in a different way. And I'm not gonna be able to please everyone, but at least naging totoo po ako na that's life. And I keep saying that the PBB house is a simulation of life. So, there's only 20 of us in that house, pero may mangyayari po talaga. May mga problema, there are personalities that are not gonna understand each other at first. But if you choose to be open and step up and actually talk to the person, then you can resolve things. So that's what I'm learning in life right now, that everything can be resolved if you choose to approach the problem with an open mind.
Grabe, di ba? Simula pa lang ng tanungan natin, pero talagang ang bigat na ng mga pinag-uusapan natin. And we're very happy kasi napaka mo spontaneous and you're generous kapag ka ikaw ay tinatanong ng mga questions like this. And thank you so much for trusting us, of course, in our kapamilya. And eto naman, AC, meron tayong mga inimbitahan, like what I've mentioned kanina, kaya naman, ibibigay ko rin sa kanila ang kanilang chance para magtanong for you.
Okay po.
Ang susunod na magtatanong mga kapamilya ay mula po sa Bulgar. Siya si Ate Janice Navita. Ate Janice, take it away.
Hello po. Hi, Ate Janice.
Hello. Walang man.
Ayan, nandun. Eto ate.
Po.
Wala. Sorry.
Ang saya, di ba?
Yes!
Yes.
Welcome back talaga.
As in, welcome back talaga. Oo.
Overwhelmed.